A very warm hello to all you beautiful souls from me, Preeti Vora. Today, before I proceed with this video, I have a very important question for you. So, the first question is, do you believe in creating magic in your life? Second is, do you really want to create magic in your life? And the third is, are you creating magic in your life? You are listening to me, Preeti Vora, a tarot card reader and an angel therapist and emotional health advisor, often helping people unlock their own powers. And today I'm here talking about the power of creating magic in your life. So before I move ahead on this, I really want you to answer this. Take a minute and answer the following question. Do you believe that you have the power to create magic in your life? Or do you feel you are powerless? So you can reply in the comments below saying, I have the power to create magic in my life. If you feel you're powerless, say, I am powerless. Choose one of these two statements and reply in the comments now. You can either write, I have the power to create magic in my life, or you can write, I am powerless. I hope you have answered this in the comments. Well, let me tell you that you definitely have the power of creating magic in your life. Yes, you heard me right. You have the ability to attract and create every single thing in your life. The universe is amazing. It's an abundant place. In case you haven't noticed as yet, the universe is full of giving. It has so much for each one of us here. And talking about magic, it is not about using a force or any kind of efforts as a way of making things happen in your life. Magic is all about just receiving. You just have to be open to receiving, and you have to be willing to receive. Often what we do is we shoo away things from our life. Okay, what you have to really shoo away is your fears, your doubt, your questions, and just open up your arms and receive in abundance from the universe. That's all you have to do for magic to begin. So that's the very first step. And now once again, I want you to take a minute, place your right hand on your heart and ask yourself, am I willing to receive from the universe? Am I willing to receive from the universe? Take a few moments. Take a few deep breaths and ask this question. Am I willing to receive from the universe? Hear yourself. Your inner self is definitely going to give you the answers to this question. Am I willing to receive from the universe? Hear your answers carefully and share it in the comments below now. Do share. Sharing is always voicing out. It is always affirming what you really have got as answers, and of course I'll be happy to guide you if you feel the need for the same. Awesome. So trusting that you have mentioned in the comments already, now that you have agreed upon allowing yourself to receive, what is the second important step to make the most out of the magical powers that you have? The second step is to acknowledge the magic. So one of the main reasons why people don't feel the magic, or they don't have any magic happening in their life, or they feel that they cannot create magic, is because even if their wishes are granted, they simply take it for granted when it actually happens. You chase something all your life, and when it actually happens, you say, "Ye to hona hi tha," and they think like, I wish I could have XYZ, and when it really shows up, what do? They do not acknowledge that they have created the magic. No, they say, oh, ये तो coincidence था, ये तो होना ही था, इत्तेफाक से हो गया. What a coincidence! It just happened. I mean, wow! I was just thinking about it and it just happened. But when you're just thinking about it and it has happened, please acknowledge the fact that you have created it. What you do is you actually simply throw away your magical powers by acknowledging your magical truth. You simply throw away the magic wand. Do you think that more magic will show up after you have done this? Nah, not at all. And I'm sure you want magic every single day of your life. You really want to create the life that you want to live, right? So, what can you do for it? I'm going to share with you a quick, simple activity which you can do to bring back magic in your life, to believe that magic exists and start creating each day for yourself. So now that we have not acknowledged magic and put it in the favor of coincidence or it just had to be, ये हो गया इत्तेफाक से, now let's go back and acknowledge it. Look back over your life and write down every time you thought of something or you wanted something to happen or you asked for something and it actually showed up. You know, you were surprised that it has come your way, but you didn't acknowledge it. You didn't express gratitude. Remember all those moments. And then, this is very important, okay? Acknowledge it that it was not a coincidence. It was not an accident. It was something that you created. It was just one of those beautiful things which are magically created by you. Acknowledge that you created it. You attracted it in your life. Look at all those times and say loudly, speak loudly that I'm sorry for not acknowledging you enough. I'm sorry for not having given the credit to the universe for the magic. I'm sorry for not giving myself the credit of creating the magic. And today I acknowledge I created magic. What else is possible now? Ask the universe. Repeat once again to yourself. I created magic. What else is possible now? And once you ask this question, meditate for 15 to 20 minutes in complete silence, breathing, focusing on your breath, calming yourself down, connecting with your inner self, and you will definitely receive answers from the universe. The universe answers in the most beautiful ways, either a soft voice whispering in your ears or a message from a friend who has probably not connected with you or has suddenly spoken or shared a forward which is irrelevant to your topic of discussion, or some random person shows up with a forwarded message, or while you're scrolling up and down the internet you see a message that completely strikes your attention. All of these are the ways of the universe giving you the message. So you will definitely know what all is possible here on. Do this activity. Ask as many questions as you can. With me, I am more than happy to guide you and assist you through. But believe in the fact that you create magic. You have the power. You are the magician. So go all out and explore this, and I am all ears to listen to your experiences, your feedbacks, your sharings. You can write into me into the email box below. Please feel free to comment as much as you can here. I'm all ears. I'm happy to respond. I have my social media handles all listed below in the description box. Please feel free to join them and get in touch with me, have a conversation with me, and make this magic happen. Wishing you a magical, magical life ahead. Create the magic now.